Hello, dear students, how are you? I hope you are well. I am Mr. Dozul Islam, English teacher, Atwadi Model Pilot High School. Dear student, I will take English first paper online class of class 9 and 10. Let's start our class of class 9 and 10. Dear students, you open your EF2 book, page number 36, Unit 3, Lesson 5. I write the lesson Independence Day. You write the lesson of your exercise book. Dear student, look at the picture and try to answer the question. Here. What is it? It is National Memorial. Where is it? It is at Savar near Dhaka. Why was it built? It was built in memory of our martyrs to supreme sacrifice of our liberation war. Dear students, do you know the meaning independence? It means freedom, liberty, or sovereignty. Dear students, now we are going to discuss section B. Before reading section B, we want to know some meaning of the words. I write the word and you write your exercise book. State. State. Do you know the main meaning of street? National. Festival. Festival. Do you know the meaning of festival? Yes. Joyful celebration. Joyful celebration. Okay? Enthusiasm. 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 Do you know the meaning of enthusiasm? Yes. It's mean eagerness. Prologue. Prologue. Flow. Glory. Wreath. Wreath. garland. Okay, dear students, you pronounce with me of the meaning of the word. For state, 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 national, festival, 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 joyful celebration, enthusiasm, 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 eagerness, plural, 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 flurry, flurry, wreath, garland, wreath, garland. Okay, dear student, now we are going to read and you listen very carefully. 26 March, our Independence Day, is the biggest state festival. The day is celebrated every year in the country with great enthusiasm and fervor. It is a national holiday. All offices, educational institutions, shops and factories remain closed on this day. The day begins with a 31-gun salute. Early in the morning, the President and the Prime Minister, on behalf of the nation, place floral wreaths at the National Mausoleum at Savar. Then other leaders, political parties, diplomats, socio and cultural programs, socio and cultural organizations, and educational institutions and freedom fighters pay homage to the martyrs. People from all walks of life also go there in the rallies and processions. There are many cultural programs throughout the day, highlighting the heroic struggle and sacrifice in 1971. In Bangabandhu National Stadium, school children, scouts and Girl Guides take part in various displays to entertain thousands of spectators. Educational institutions also organize their individual programs. Sports, meets and tournaments are also organized on the day, including the exciting boat race in the river Buriganga. In the evening, all major buildings are illuminated with colorful lights. Bangla Academy, Bangladesh Shilpakala Academy and other socio-cultural organizations hold cultural functions. Similar functions are also arranged in other places in the country. Now, dear students, choose the best answer. Our biggest state festival is number A, Victory Day, number B, Shohid Divas, number C, Pahela Boishakh, number D, Independence Day. Yes, the answer is Independence Day. Number 2, the celebration of Independence Day begins with 1. Processions, gun salute, C. Placing wreath at the National Mausoleum, number D. Parade by Defense Force. The answer number 2, gun salute. The National Mausoleum is A. on Dhaka University campus, number B. at Ramna Park, number C. at Savar, near Dhaka Medical College? The answer at Sabar. Number 4. On Independence Day, various displays are held. Number A. At the National Parade Ground, in the streets, in the decorated vehicles, in number D, in Bangabandhu Stadium. The answer at the National Parade Ground. Dear student, now we are going to discuss section E. It is your home task, and you write the home task on your exercise book. How you have celebrated this year Independence Day at your school. You write in brief. It is your homework. No more today. Thank you very much.